Dear prospective students, welcome to East-West University, the medicine program. The medicine program, which is accredited at the national as well as international levels. In case of international levels, you can find the accreditation by the WFME, which is the World Federation of Medical Education, and our medicine program can be found also on the World Directory of Medical Schools website. Our medicine program provides the clinical practice in university hospitals, which are owned by East-West University. Our medical program represents the integrated type of the curriculum, where the students are able to learn the clinical parts and the pathological parts in the very first semesters and will be exposed to the clinical practice from the very first semesters of their studies. Our modern, highly integrated medical program is the result of collaboration of highly professional academic staff, both at national as well as international levels. Our students during their studies are exposed to the clinical practice in highly standardized clinical skills laboratory. If you would like to pursue the medical career based...
Everyone, my name is Nino Sharashenidze. I'm the Dean of the Medical School at East-West University, and at the same time I'm the head of the medical service at Alexandria Ladashvili University Clinic. You know that our clinic is the main base for university, that's why I would like to give you a short information about the clinic. It covers all directions of the medical services, such as for outpatients and inpatients. As well, we have directions for emergency department and we have intensive care unit. When I mention services for outpatients, I mean all types of consultations and diagnostics, such as lab tests, ultrasounds, X-rays, CT scan, endoscopical manipulations, and so on. And for the inpatients, we have all directions. We have internal disease department, which in itself includes neurology, therapeutic, and cardiology. We have as well general surgery, which in itself includes head and neck surgery, traumatology, as well we have general surgery, and so on. As for the clinic, it was always functioning. It has like a century history, and it was always functioning as a clinic.
East-West University. Now we are in surgery department of Alexandria Ladashvili University Hospital. During the clinical years of the MD curriculum, medical students have opportunity to complete rotations in Department of Surgery in Ladashvili Clinic, which represents the East-West University.
I have a huge experience of how to teach students, to how to transfer the knowledge of old generation to the new generation, and I would like to add to this fact that students in our clinic start to get these clinical basic skills from the first year of the first semester. I'm mentioning that this is because this is the huge opportunity for students, along with the high-level education, to start getting practical skills in the clinical fields. From the first semester, they of course are not just getting involved directly in medical evaluation, but they are just getting acquainted to the environment, how is produced the medical documentation, and so on. But after that, from the second semester, of course, the students already come to our clinic and start to get basic skills, such as, for example, measuring pressure, how to do the ECG procedures, or how to distinguish whether there is some brokenness on the X-ray, and so on. As well, for the basic information about the clinic, I would like to add that it is in the middle of the renovation process. We are adding the fourth floor on the clinic. The total number of the beds at this point is 135 beds, but afterwards it will be like 160. And I'm giving you this information because the total number of beds is related to the total number of the student. It means that per bed we can transfer students through the rotation. It is different for different directions. In case of neurology, it might be like 5 students per bed, and in case of, for example, therapeutic, it might be 7 students per bed. I guess it is the main advantages of our clinic that we can offer to students to start getting practical skills in the field of the medical setting. I really wish that we will meet in person soon, and I can guarantee and I can assure you that you won't regret it and you will be very satisfied. Thank you.